Welcome to Style Skating. Today we're going to work on basic crossovers. We're going to do exercises to learn crossovers from very beginning. And we'll start from 2-foot glide and 1 push, keeping your free leg on the ice. We're going to do this a couple of times and then we're going to try to cross leg in front while you're still sitting on your skating leg. So your skating leg needs to be bent, hips under, back straight, and we're holding arms on your waist just to make sure that you're working only with your legs. So the next exercise we're going to do second push on crossover. If at the beginning we did first push, now it's a cross push. So you make a little step and then you cross. Little step and then bend your knees and cross. And now we're going to go just cross back to back. So keep your skating leg bent, keep your ankle bent, twist inside circle. This one is very difficult exercise to do, but it's really good for the second push, that you push with outside edge, not with your toe. And same, we're going to do other direction. All exercises we're going to do both directions. Don't forget to bend first, then push. Now we're going to do full crossover forward. We're going to bend, push. Don't lift your leg from the ice after first push, and then cross and then push with second foot. And then we're going to do full crossover, trying to keep your knees bent, ankles bent, good extension. And you can see how nice flow she has after doing all those previous exercises. Now we start backward, again, only first push. First push, half swivel, cross. And when you cross, make sure that you're still sitting over that skating leg, because that's most common mistake, when you straighten your skating leg too early before you cross. So swivel, cross, both knees bent. And now we're going to work on second push. Bend both knees and ankles and then push. Bend and then push with outside edge. Now this exercise is for crossing legs in front, keeping your knees bent, and then backward. Push and cross, push and cross. It's just good exercises for knees and ankles. And alternate one way, other way, one foot, other foot. And then we lifting leg after we push and then cross. Lift and then cross. Good backward outside edge. Again, just good exercises for knees, ankles, power pushes. Thank you for watching. See you next time.